Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. Guys, I'm still in Siargao, getting the ferry to Surigao. So, and guys, when you're booking your tickets, make sure you get them right. Because I've heard of a few people booked plane tickets to the wrong place. But yeah, I'm getting the ferry, and I had planned on getting the slow boat, the slow car ferry at 9:30, but I've just found out that they won't accept passengers without vehicles. So, and the 10:30 fast boat was cancelled, so it is now 8:30 in the morning and my boat's at 12:30. So I've just got to find somewhere that I can sit comfortably for the next 3 hours. Well, I'm just having a bit of a wander. The ferry company's watching my bags, which makes life a bit easier. I kind of don't, but I've had that backpack so long, it kind of molded itself to my body, so it's not that hard to carry. But when you're doing kilometers and kilometers, it does tend to get a bit heavy. And always my go-to time killer, get my hair cut. It's looking a bit scruffy here, so let's go and see what these guys will do. This is my barber, about to clean me up. It's going to cost me about $1.75 US. You can really see the Spanish influence here, guys, in people's faces. There's one house back there, everyone's sitting outside. I could have been in Colombia. Just saying about the Spanish influence in people's faces. Look at the church. This could be in South America or Spain somewhere. Sorry guys, I'm turning away from the camera again. Look at this, just unbelievable. And I think by the time my ferry goes, I'll have walked every single street in Dapa. But it's not a very big little town. Very busy, hectic. All the Philippines I've noticed is pretty hectic. And more Spanish influence. This is the municipality hall. I'll just walk in here so you can see the building. Not sure how old it is. Oh, I think it's quite old actually, now that I've had a good look at it. Very, very Spanish. And all around, guys, everywhere you look, there's evidence of the typhoon. I'm between here and General Luna. There was whole buildings missing here. Look at this, guys, just torn apart. This is the municipal hall here. Very, very Spanish. Oh, guys, now I was a bit annoyed that all the ferries had been cancelled this morning, but this isn't a bad way to spend the day, wandering the streets of Dapa. Guys, the ferry port's just there. This is on the next block. And there's this amazing little kids playground here. Looks like it's free to me. Yeah, doesn't seem to be any ticket sellers. But what I'm excited about is there's all these restaurants on the water. So I'm going to go and see if I can't find a cold drink, if any of them are open. And the I love Siargao sign is just here. Very nice, guys, beautiful. You come out of that sort of corrugated iron buildings everywhere, dirty streets, and you walk into this. Unbelievable, really. But it doesn't look like I'm going to get a cold drink here. It's probably too early in the morning, 10 o'clock. But now, this is the ferry that I wanted to get on, guys. It leaves in a couple of minutes, but they don't have walk-on passengers. You've got to be have a vehicle, which is a bummer because that'll be leaving any minute now. And that one takes 4 hours. The one I'll be on takes 2, so we'll be arriving around the same time. But that's just so much more relaxing. At least this time I've got a ticket on top. I don't have to sit downstairs with the air conditioning. Oh, this guy down here looking for shellfish, I think. Oh, I found a nice shady little restaurant right on the water, breeze coming through. They're not exactly open, but they sold me a water. I can sit here. There's a few other people here waiting for the ferry as well, I think. Well, that time didn't take too long. Passed pretty quickly, really. Had a good look around this town, but jumping on the ferry. But this time, guys, I knew to buy my ticket upstairs, not in the downstairs. Be able to see where we're going, have the sea breeze instead of that horrible aircon. But anyway, guys, I'll chat to you from the boat. This is my seat this time, open air, be able to see outside, much better. And these are my travelling mates. Say hello.
Hey, Yura.
And we're out of here. It's already nice and cool. And here's my little mate again. You gonna wave this time? There we go. Surigao, guys. Because it's Sunday night, just so much happening just outside my hotel. Everyone's so happy. What a life I get to lead, guys. Unbelievable. All this food everywhere. There's this barbecue chicken place up the road here, just amazing, guys. And like charcoal barbecue, not like Red Rooster or something that we get at home. And then there's all this other food. I'm hungry, but I think I'm going to stick with the chicken because it is really, really good. Even without the markets, guys, I don't know how well with the GoPro you can see all these islands and everything. Just amazing. I'm really glad I went to Siargao though. That's worth going to, guys. Little sleepy little island. Heaps of restaurants, heaps of like comfortable hotels, cheap. It was a really fun couple of days, but try and come here as well, guys, because it's this is a bit of a hidden treasure. And I was here the other day, guys, in another video. I had this chicken, just delicious. I'm having it again. But look at all the seafood and chicken and all the different things you got to choose from here, and it smells amazing. I can't wait to eat. Salamat po.
Hello.
I'm just going into Liloan, which is another, it's a little village. That's Surigao there. This is a little village on the outskirts. This is another ferry port. This will take me to Leyte. I just wanted to stop and look at this, guys. Unbelievable. So we go down the hill to the ferry port. I'll buy my ticket for tomorrow, and hopefully tomorrow afternoon I'll be in Leyte. I wanted to go to San Ricardo on the car ferry, but for some reason here they don't allow passengers on the car ferry. You've got to have a vehicle, if you remember from the last video when I tried to get back from Surigao on the car ferry. So I have to leave tonight. I've already paid for my hotel, but that's all right. That's all right. So yes, I'm leaving tonight. I'm going to Liloan, I think. I'm not 100% sure where I'm going really, but I do know it's on Leyte. And that's what's important, because I've got to extend my visa, and I'll do that in northeastern Leyte sometime in the next 10 days, I hope. Now I'm just going to have something to eat, go back and pack, get ready. And we're on our way back to Liloan, going to get on the ferry. This is Michael, my driver, and I'll speak to you from the ferry. Nobody wants me to eat. I took no food to Cagayan. They didn't have restaurants. I took heaps of food to Cebu. They did have restaurants. Now I didn't bring any food here thinking there'd be stuff. And there's nothing, but there's a few stalls here. I can at least get some chocolate or some chips or something. Hopefully you guys can see this. It's calm as anything today. I've got an hour till boarding, so I've got plenty of time. There's Surigao over there. Look at all these islands, guys. And we're heading off in this direction. I don't know what I was worried about. That stall had the most delicious chicken and rice. This is my ship here, but again, we're leaving about 6 p.m, so it'll be dark when we get on board. Another look where we are, guys. I won't be able to show you from the ship. Unbelievable. This is the ship that I was trying to get on, but they don't let you on without a vehicle, because you have to sit in your vehicle. There's nowhere for passengers, and that would have got to San Ricardo in an hour. But this one's we're getting to Liloan in 3 hours, so I'm excited, guys. I love this way of travel, I really do. I'll sit up on one of those deck chairs there, maybe. I'll try and get up the front if I can, watch the world go by. So we're on board. This is Chooks. Hello. Nice Filipino kid that's been helping me. Yeah, we're on board. We should be leaving fairly soon. We were supposed to leave at 6. It is now 5 to 6. Everyone's on board. And at last, thank you, sir. We're moving. An hour and 15 minutes late, which means we'll be arriving about 10:30 at night. And I don't have a hotel book, so hopefully there'll be something near the port. It's 10 at night, but we're just arriving. And I wish it was daylight, because it's just mountains, and even the town's built on the mountain over here. Anyway, we'll see it tomorrow morning. Hopefully there's a hotel right there, because I've got no idea where I'm going after this. And guys, we made it. We're in Liloan, and the big mystery now is, will I have a bed tonight? But I think town's up this way. I'm pretty sure I'll be able to find something. It's like most of the passengers were on this bus, so I won't be competing for a hotel. They're all heading up to I forget the name of the town, but you guys are going to know it, because that's where I've got to go and extend my visa in a few days. I'm in no hurry. I've got about another 19 days, so really I have to have it renewed in 12 days, because you've got to do it 7 days before. But right now I'm more worried about a bed. I don't know if you guys can hear this, but that's the worst karaoke I've ever heard in my life. But I'm kind of getting used to it here. It tends to be a lot of bad karaoke in Asia. Morning, guys. This is Liloan. And it's the first time I've seen it, because I got here in the dark. This was my hostel, the Casa Inn. Well worth staying here, guys, and the port's just there, so it wasn't very far to walk at all. Now I have to find the bus terminal, which I believe is just up here, but we will find out. But yeah, guys, this bar here was where the karaoke was last night, and it was loud, but they finished at about 11 o'clock, so I did get a good night's sleep. And guys, this is my minivan to Abayog. These are all the girls here. I'll embarrass them. Say hello. Yeah, so this only English. Yeah, so this bus is going to the capital city, but I'm going to get off. I'm going to take a few days to get there, but that's where I extend my visa. This was so easy, guys. Everyone was so friendly, everyone was helping me. I was on my way to the bus terminal, and some guys said, no, just wait here, sit with us, we'll make sure you get on the bus. And as the bus was coming past, they waved them down, and here I am. I left my hotel maybe 5 minutes ago. Well, guys, this is my hotel in Abayog. I got here. That was everyone's so friendly and happy here. I love Leyte. It's such a beautiful place. It's probably one of the most beautiful places I've ever been, really. I can't wait to see more of it. I'm pretty sure I got enough footage to make a video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, guys, hit that mad dog icon up there, or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.